Hey guys, JD here, and today I'll be installing these made in USA Hydro-Turf Gunnel mats on my Yamaha FX WaveRunner. I decided that the edges of this ski are just too fragile to risk it, and so I'm installing these gunnel mats for the additional protection and additional traction. So these Hydro-Turf Gunnel mats are made in USA. They're extremely durable and they're easy to install, according to Hydro-Turf. Alright, so now I'll be installing this Hydro-Turf Gunnel pad. And that's because the edge of the ski here is really fragile. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got some alcohol and I'm going to wipe the area where I want to install this mat. So I like to peel back part of it, and then I've got this roller here and I like to position it now. It does curve around a little bit, so just trying to keep it So remember, this is pressure sensitive adhesive. So this actually says it cures 85% in 24 hours and to 100% within 48 hours. So again, I like this roller. It's just a resin roller, and I like to just make sure I have a really good roll on the edges especially. You can see I did these mats here on my Ultra 310 and they've been great. The key is just to make sure the surface is clean before you install them, and then make sure that they're just 100% adhered in place. So I wish, these like matched. I wish these came in like a black like this, but this was the best I could do. It was black and gray, and I think that looks great. It just adds a dimension. The gunnel on my Kawasaki was too narrow for these mats, but they actually fit perfectly on the FX. So I've used Hydro-Turf for years, and it's a great product, so I was comfortable purchasing another product from them with these. These mats are available from hydroturf.com and come in 14 different two-tone colors. They retail for $39.95, which is about half the price of competing mats that are also available on the internet. So these won't fit on every ski, but they will fit on skis with a gunnel that's at least 2.4 inches wide. The mats themselves are 39.4 inches long. I think these are a great addition to the ski and will provide protection for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Water World.